Give God all the glory,
That was cool.
honor, and praise.
That was nice. I appreciate that very much. Thank you so much.
Sounds like you're at work. Are you at work?
No, I'm not. No, I'm cooking. I was cooking, but I stopped when I saw you. Yeah, I was cooking. Yeah.
What was Jesus like when you saw him?
Beautiful, like always. Beautiful.
What was the door like? What color was the door?
Tell you that. I can't tell you that.
Was it bright?
It was just beautiful and bright. Yeah. 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 Amen.
What was his chair like? The big, what God he was sitting on? Was it big?
It was big, beautiful. It was beautiful. It was beautiful.
You didn't want to come back here, did you?
No, I didn't. Amen.
How's your heart feel now? How's your heart feel now?
I feel so much better.
Oh.
Much better. I thank you so much.
We love you, Yvette. God bless you. Shalom.
Thank you.
You follow me, okay?
I sure will. I sure will. I sure will. Wow. That's crazy. That's amazing.
God brought you. God brought you.
That was amazing. That was amazing. That was amazing.
It gives me chills thinking about it.
Yeah.
This is real. You were just caught up into heaven and met Jesus. And
Yeah.
met Nobody may understand you.
Yeah.
Nobody may believe you. I believe you.
Mm-hmm.